There's a guide on how you can change your username on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Snapchat app. After opening it, this is the main menu or the main interface of Snapchat. After that, you have to click on your profile icon. As you can see, it's on the top left section of your screen. Mine's red. Yours can be any color. After that, this menu will pop up and you will see an option that's the settings icon. As you can see on the top right, click on the settings icon. After that, you'll see a lot of options. The first one is name and the second one is username. Since we're changing our username, you will click on username. After that, this page will pop up and you will see your username here. As you can see, my username is deep_rezo. Okay, if you want to change it, you have to click on change username, the text in blue. Click on it and this message will pop up. Okay, and this is very important. As you can see, it says your username can only be changed once a year. Okay, only once a year. You can't change it twice. Okay, only once a year. Your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. Okay, so for example, if you change your username on 27th of October 2024, the next time you will be able to change it again would be 28th of October 2025. Exactly 1 year. Okay, you won't be able to change it again. So please be careful. Okay, once you're done reading this, click on continue. After that, as you can see, we have our keyboard here. And let's say if I want to change it, I'm going to add a 9. You can change it like in whatever way you want. Once you're done, click on next. And also, there's a thing to remember. As you can see, it says this username is free. Okay, and there's a very high chance that the username you want to change into is already taken by someone. So yes, you can't really take a username that is already taken by someone. So yeah, please. Okay, once you're done, click on next, as you can see on the bottom. After that, you have to enter your password, and I'm going to do that. After entering your password, it will say change your username to whatever you have entered. Like I have added a 9 to my deep_rezo9. So it says, are you sure? You can only change your username once a year. So yes, please keep this in mind. And if you're sure that you want to change it, click on continue. And it says, oh hey, deep_rezo9. Your username has been updated successfully. And that's it. Once you're done, click on continue. And there you go. As you can see, it has updated my username to deep_rezo9. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change your username on Snapchat.